Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sandy Jamel, and today I'm just giving you a nice quick tutorial on this look. I really want to create a nice fun summer bluish look for you all. So if you are interested in how I created this, please keep on watching. Okay, to start, I'm going in my Masquerade palette and I'm going in the shade Zobo. I'm gonna take that on like a pencil brush, and I'm gonna start by carving out my crease. Patting that on to really get the shape that I want it to have. I'm really close to hitting pan on this shade. Just getting this outer corner as well. Next I'm going in my E.L.F Mad for Matte palette, and I'm going in this nice purple plum shade right here. This is a really nice colorful palette. I really gotta use it more often. So I'm going into this deep purple shade to help deepen up my crease. I actually did my first tutorial using this palette. I really gotta use it more. I feel this palette really complements the other colorful palettes that I have. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm blending in this darker purple with the Morphe 562 brush. I really like this brush. It helps with blending in like smaller areas and everything. I really like to use this brush when I, blend in darker colors to deepen up my crease. Or say when I'm using a black shade, this really helps. So I would suggest this brush. Now I'm going back in that Zobo shade just to blend out the edges, because I feel it got a little off. Gotta remember to hold my eyebrows up. If you have a small lid space like me, hold your eyelids up, and that would really help you, get in those nook and crannies. Next I'm going in my Nubian 2 palette, and I'm using the shade Morocco, which is that nice orange here. And I'm taking that on a nice pencil brush, and I'm gonna blend the outers of that pink, of that Zobo shade. I'm blending it all the way into the brow bone. I just feel like this orange really complements that color. And next I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my crease. Because I already carved out the crease when using my shadows before, it really helped this crease to be, nice and smooth. Cutting it all the way down to this wing, and I'm gonna just let that dry just a little bit. And now I'm just going back in my Masquerade palette, and I'm going in the shade Zola, which is this one nice blue right here, and I'm gonna start by packing that on my lid. also go in that darker blue shade, Dahlia, and put that on the rest of my lid. gloss. So I'm gonna just go in and add a little bit to really redefine that crease. Right, and I'm just gonna peel the tape off. Ooh. As you can see, we have a nice gradient here from where the tape really, you know, helped cut it up. All right, I'm loving this. And this is the tape by E.L.F, you guys. They sell it in a pack for $2. They're really long. I ripped this one in half, but make sure you get these for your eyeshadows because they're so good, and oh my God, you'll love them. But this is the eyes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my, ouch. So this is the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, and this is the finished look. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Now I really want to create more looks using my masquerade palette since I am trying to pan it, and we are halfway through the year, so I feel like I need to make my pans bigger and I really need to, you know, push myself to get more pans for you guys. Now I will have an update on my pan that palette video coming soon. It actually should be posted before I post this video, so hopefully you watch that before you watch this one. And yeah, let me know your thoughts, and as always, thank you so much for watching and thank you for your time.